Okay, so we're going to start a series of weekly videos with me doing some work I need to do on my daily drivers, so the Stag, the MG, and I guess the Focus and BMW if I ever do anything on them. And the reason is that there are some bits which I really ought to be getting around to doing, and I'm just leaving to do bigger jobs on the TR7s. So by doing videos, I think that will force me to do it. So this is living with a daily driver, I guess, or something like that. Feel free to let me know what you think about whether or not you want to see more of these little bits or not. Okay, bye. There's a few things on my daily drivers, so the Stag and the MG, which I haven't been getting around to doing, just in terms of general maintenance, because any spare time I have goes on the green car. So although they might get their annual services, they don't get much more than that, and they're beginning to need it. So we're gonna, over the next few weeks, try to do a short video on sort of some maintenance work that I'm having to do on those cars, and the reason for doing the videos is it will encourage me to get on with it. So we're going to start today by checking the torque on the head bolts on the Stag, which shouldn't take me long, and I should just get around to doing it. And we're going to do that because I ran the engine so hot a couple of weeks ago, a couple of months ago, so really I should have done it immediately. So we're going to do that first. So the torque order on the Stag is the same as the TR7 in terms of you do the nuts first, A, B, C, D, E, and then the bolts, F, G, H, I, J. And you do it in two stages, so first 45 foot-pounds and then 55 foot-pounds, which is 61 and then 75 Newton meters. So let's see if we can get in here for the first. Oh gosh, I don't like that at all. So this is on the lower one, and it's not clicking. Did that in the wrong order. Oh no. Okay, now we go up to 75. Side one done. I'm glad I've finally done that because there was some movement on there. And so we'll go over the other side now. Okay, we've gone back to 61. Yeah, so all of those are good. God, we've got some movement there though. Fine, so that's all done. Some of those had movement, some didn't, so I'm glad I've done that now. I've been umming and ahhing about thinking I was wasting my time. Clearly not. I want to just have a look at what the oil, not the oil, coolant looks like. Oh, still under pressure. Right. Still, that's probably a good sign. Okay, and I can see it all bubbling around in there, so that's looking good. Let's show you. So now you can see the coolant in there. It's actually dropped down quite a bit. I don't know how much of that was me just opening it up, because we can see it on the floor as well now. So that could have been me opening it up whilst under pressure. It's not been driven all day. You know, it's not been driven for over 12 hours, so I assumed there'd be no pressure there, but clearly there was. What have we got in here? Oh, there we go. So it's filled the overflow. So I think we should be okay. Yes, okay. I think we're going to tighten that back up, and we're going to check it again after I've been for a drive and it's cooled down. I was going to go for a drive because it's quite nice out having done those checks, but I fancy doing a bit of work on the TR7 first, so we're going to do that next. If you want to see me doing a little bit more of my kind of tinkering maintenance, let me know. If you really don't like this kind of video, let me know, but give me a thumbs up anyway. All right, see you next time. Bye.